magigiling na maayos. Ha? Oh my God, umusok! Hi everyone, it's me, Reese, and today we're going to have a special video kasi kasama ko ngayon si
King Beji.
Yes! Turuan niya ako kung paano gumawa ng
Homemade spam.
homemade spam ala King Beji. Ingredients and the things we need. Ano ba yung mga kailangan natin?
Ang talaga natin is ground pork. We have here the cornstarch,
Cornstarch.
pink salt.
This one.
Yeah.
Pink salt.
We also have regular salt, rock salt,
Okay.
white pepper,
White pepper.
yes, fish sauce, spicy.
A little bit spicy.
Need the medium size of this ganera. Weighing scale, measuring cups, and food processor. Yung pang
And of course, we need our gloves to make sure na clean and green charot ang ating gagawin. So,
first step natin, kailangan natin
Yes.
So, let's put 2 cups of meat muna. Kailangan natin palalagay muna yung
blade! Hindi na yung bitagay yung blade.
lang masyado.
Okay. Ay! Okay, so for this one, kailangan nating i-process siya or gilingin pa ng 2 minutes. Parts or lahat ng mga nasa loob ay magiging na maayos. Ha? Oh my God, umusok! Okay, pero dahil talented kami kahit nasira na yung panggiling namin, gagawan pa rin namin siya ng paraan. Kapag creative ka, walang limitation. So, ano kailangan natin? Eto na, so dahil nga nasira ang mahiwagang panggiling,
Saka para may
siya-
option din kayo na pag wala kayo, hindi po kayo
Yes.
kahit gawin na.
panggiling, it's also possible na to make pino the baboy by only using knife. Regular knife at
Finally. Perfect.
ganyan. Lahat ng galit mo, dito mo lalabas. Okay, so this time, after na masira yung ating panggiling, pero talented kami, ginawa pa rin namin ng paraan. So, mano-mano, masakit sa braso, pero caring-caring naman. Measurements. Let's start with, ano to?
This one is cornstarch.
Cornstarch. Ang kanyang sukat ay
1/8 cup salt.
rock salt. So, iodized, right?
Yes, iodized.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of rock salt.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of pink salt. 2 tablespoons
Of
of
sugar.
sugar.
Half teaspoon.
1 tablespoon of fish sauce.
So, wet
The chili powder.
chili powder.
Okay. Half cup of cold water.
Mahigit. Nating ma-mix ng maayos.
Yes, after natin siya ma-mix na maayos, we're going to put it na in a llanera.
Llanera.
So, bawat llanera,
Okay.
250 ml.
Yan. Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Siya. Pagdadidinan mo.
We have 1. So we have 2. 4. Almost 5 yung magagawa mo. Tapos na yung ating mga homemade spam.
Yes.
Kailangan na natin siyang i-cure.
Yes, curing method na po tayo. Lagyan natin sa ref.
Yes.
Dito lang tayo sa baba, hindi po natin sa
Gano'ng kalamig
sa
dapat?
freezer. 400.
Something.
Yes, basta malamig.
Okay. Then how many days?
Actually, pwedeng 2 hours kung mamadali ka. 2 hours, 6 hours. Pero gusto ko kasi 24 hours lang para
Okay.
maluto talaga yung kanyang flavors, yung lasa
Yeah.
sa meat.
Okay, so that's all for our homemade spam tutorial with King Beji. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. So, from us, King Beji and
Yes.
I, thank you so much. Bye,
Thank
bye,
you for
bye.
watching.
Yes, bye.